G'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thought I might try and pick this challenge lock from Monkey Lockpicks. It's a nice AO Euro. It's called Alpha. Alpha, keys mummified. Okay, good view. Yep. Just try wiper insert tension. Bugger, I'll use it. Might also try using that beautiful pick that he sent me. Thought I'll put it to use on one of his locks. Just make sure it can enter the lock. Yep, should work. Gee, that was quick. You see that's open. Alright, let's gut it, see what's inside. Okay, I'll try and get the focus down. Shim. I might have to move that around, I think. Okay. Should work. Yep. Sweet. I'm not going to unmummy the key. Try and get it focused. There we go. Oh, I'm seeing some nasty threading. Four. Try and zoom it back in. I'll get a closer look at it all once I get all the pins out. But we can see threading in 1, 2, 4 and 5. 2 looks like it's a little bit undercut. And 3 is standard. Okay, we have a nice serrated for 1 with a steel spring. Oh, I'm seeing threading too. Oh, we have it's an unusual copper spring. We got a stuck pin. That's probably, there we go, it's a spool. It must have got caught up in the threading. Looks like it's got threading. The spring doesn't want to come out, but Okay, so that's 4. Oh shit. We had a T-pin fall out in 5. I think it was like that. I'm not sure if that one came out of there. Maybe it was 4. Okay, I'll just put that one there and have a look. You know what? I'll get the Allen key, I think. I have one here. That won't fit. Just bear with me, guys. That's the one. Right, so I'll just put that there. Must have been the third one, I guess. Yep, there's the spring. It's caught up in threads. Okay, so I'll swap that one around. That was number 3. Yeah, it got heavily serrated on 1, 2 standard, 3 serrated, 4's definitely serrated, and 5 standard. Okay, so we'll give you a closer look at these pins. Some nice work there, brother. You'll see there is a double serrated with a fully serrated driver, single serration with a spool, double serration with a spool. I don't know, it's like a spool with like a almost like a T-pin bevel, depending on how you look at it. Then we have a double serrated on 4 for the driver, a very light serration on 5, and a T-pin. You can see all the springs are slightly different. We have a steel anti-bump spring, copper anti-bump, another steel, another copper, and another different steel spring again. But once again, mate, I appreciate you sending this lock to me. I'll get it sent out to the next victim. So your pick worked, mate. Good for it, mate. Okay. Camera doesn't do this pick any justice, but yeah, pick this lock perfect. Anyway, guys, cheers, take care, and yeah, I'll see you next time.